What is asset dissipation? Have you ever wondered how one spouse can impact the financial outcome of a divorce through their spending habits? This brings us to the concept of asset dissipation. Asset dissipation refers to the intentional or reckless use, spending, destruction, or waste of marital assets by one spouse for personal benefit, especially during the time when the marriage is falling apart. This behavior can significantly reduce the value of the marital estate, which can lead to unfair property division during divorce proceedings. So, what does asset dissipation look like in real life? It often involves squandering marital property, such as money or valuable items, for purposes that do not benefit the marriage. For example, one spouse might spend large sums of marital funds on personal activities or relationships that have nothing to do with the marriage. This could include gambling or funding an extramarital affair. Another example is when one spouse fails to make mortgage or loan payments on marital property. This can result in foreclosure or a loss of equity, which ultimately harms both parties. Additionally, allowing marital property like family heirlooms or photographs to be destroyed or neglected also falls under asset dissipation. Using marital funds to cover expenses on non-marital property, which does not benefit the marriage, is another form of this behavior. Now, let's talk about the legal implications. Courts may take asset dissipation into account when dividing marital assets. If one spouse can prove that the other has wasted assets, they may be able to recover the value of those wasted assets during the divorce. To make a dissipation claim, it is essential to specify the timeframe when the marriage was irretrievably breaking down and identify the dissipated assets. There are also time limits for raising these claims, usually within a few years before filing for divorce or during the discovery period. The spouse accused of dissipation must provide evidence, such as receipts, to counter the claims made against them. If you suspect your spouse is engaging in asset dissipation, it is vital to document any suspicious spending and seek legal advice as soon as possible. Courts aim to ensure a fair division of property, so proving dissipation can help protect your financial interests during the divorce. Dissipation claims often come up in mediation or court proceedings and can significantly influence negotiations and final settlements. Understanding asset dissipation is essential for anyone going through a divorce. Recognizing this behavior can help you protect your financial rights and ensure a fair outcome in the division of property.